What is your estimate? And does not need to be accurate. Had you not been using Keats in this way in these last 2.5 months, how long do you think would it have taken you to get to the point where you are right now with your second memoir, absent that help?
I think I can't. I don't know if I can put a specific number on it, but I would say,
Months, years?
yeah, I would say months. Because
Okay.
the aside from the great feedback and the instant feedback, and again, we have to remember this is subjective. If you were to program your own team of rivals with your manuscripts, you would get different feedback. If I were to then upload my manuscript into your team of rivals, I'd get different answers, right? So I have to keep that in mind. But I would say, aside from that huge benefit of getting that instant feedback, and it's good feedback. I recognize it because I can hear my developmental editor, my human developmental editor in my ear saying, yeah, that's what you need. That's what's missing here. The second most important benefit of this is that I get this feedback and I can't wait to get back to the manuscript.
It's a good point.
I'm ready to
So
get
this
back to the
actually,
manuscript right then and there.
this makes you want to write more.
I've been writing every day. I mean, I I wrote the first four books of my literary career. Oh, a couple days here and then a week off, and a couple weeks there and a week off. And it's like it was helter skelter. Now I'm writing every day. And if I'm not actually writing, I'm journaling and I'm making notes and I'm having conversations with Keats, saying, Keats, well, what do you think about this? And I took a couple of hours off and we played around with designs for the cover. He came up with some cover designs because I had some ideas, he had some ideas. And when you have a cover, all of a sudden you've got this symbol of what it is that you're trying to aim toward. And that was also, so this has sped up, motivated, lit a fire. I just want to keep writing because I've got this feedback. I mean, I don't know, I haven't communicated this yet. My human developmental editor is wonderful. She has taught me so much. I'm indebted to her. But I would send off a manuscript and I had to wait weeks or months to get feedback. And then I have to write a pretty big check.
So I want to.
And she's earned every penny. I'm not
Oh yeah, yeah.
disputing that.
She's a wonderful person. So again, I want to just bring us back to where we are. So Howard, creative professional, writing his memoirs, took about 5 years to write his first one. Ended up discovering some tools that are not AI tools. They're actually just cognitive. A book by Jenny Nash that really helped cement the structure, helped him do the critical thinking before he started using these AI tools. This brilliant intern that we're going to call Keats. You did not know how to do this. You ended up asking the Keats how to help you. We've had a number of conversations on delimiters and page numbers and chapter breaks and all that, but that doesn't matter. The point is that you have then gone through this process of using your tool, this assistant, by asking it, how do I do this? And essentially having the presence of mind of the critical thinking that if I don't know the answer, I'm going to ask. And also you're always going to try to please me. So you're almost asking it to come up with shortcuts or bypass this aim to please and give you hard-hitting feedback. And the end result of this right now, where we are, because you haven't finished a memoir, but you're doing, you're moving faster, is that it's happening much faster. You believe at greater quality. And perhaps most importantly, that because of this interaction, you want to get writing quicker, sooner. And by the way, when you say writing, you're not saying, Keats, write me the next chapter. No, this is Howard sitting down and putting his own words on pen and paper. Is that a fair assessment?
That's a great point. I mean,